Good afternoon, YouTubers. It's Brian Paragamian, Senior Trader, Co-Founder, ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com, bringing the closing commentary for Tuesday, June 9th. Well, the Dow Jones closes in a very narrow range here today. The S&P trades in a 10 or 11 point range. Very consolidated here. Very narrow range. I think we're going to, potentially break on out to the upside. But you know what? For me, it really doesn't matter because I'm a trader and I just trade setups. Again, today we profited on 2 day trades. Potash, we got long in the 112.40 area into some early morning weakness. Actually, I'm sorry, I take it back. We got long into the 113.40 area. Ran a stop down below the lows in the 112.40 area. You can see the stock closes up $3.60, 115.54. I identified yesterday that I thought the dollar had run its course in the strength that it had, and you can see here today the dollar closing down $1.05 today on the dollar, closing at 79.91. I thought the commodity names would be the spot. We also then got long the OIH, which is the tracks the oil stocks, the oil service holders. That there we got long at the 108.40 area, traded up as high as 111. We kind of took profits on it a little early. We took profits in the 109.75 area, but banked $1.50 on that as well. But nonetheless, 2 winning day trades here. Now, if you're not getting on day trades like this here, I don't know what you're waiting for. I continue to say, go to our site. Take advantage of our 3-day free trial. It is absolutely free. The trial is free. Just make sure you select 3-day free trial. You will not be asked for a credit card. The other thing that was very interesting today, SQNM, Sequenom. Now, we had traded the stock here, Sam Queen, Nancy Mary, Sequenom. We had traded the stock here several times before in the past, but for profits, actually on a swing trade months and months back. Today, we were alerted that there was some unusual call activity taking place, and we heard some scuttlebutt and some rumors that the stock would have some favorable news coming out on one of their drugs. Take a look at what happened. We alerted our members in the 360 area, and look where the stock closes on the day. SQNM, $5.30, an absolute huge run after we talked about it to our members on our live webcast. Again, I continue to say, I don't know what you're waiting for. You're missing out on all kinds of great things. Our service is $14.99 per month. Before you commit to that, go ahead and take a look and get the 3-day free trial. I know you're going to love it. One idea I'm going to share with you, and that's natural gas, ticker symbol UNG. Right now we're trading at historic ratios of oil to natural gas. It's approaching near 19. Usually it trades at about a 6-to-1 ratio. I absolutely love natural gas in here, the UNG. We're long UNG here into weakness today, below 14. I think this is a great spot. It's trading, where is it trading here in the aftermarket? It's bid 14.24, closed at 14.17. I think the risk reward is absolutely great here. We're going to run a stop down below the low of 12.69 at 12.50. That's my one idea. I'm not going to be able to come to you every day because I'm just far too busy. But you know what? I'll tell you. Go take advantage of our 3-day free trial. You're going to love what we do here. You're going to do nothing but make money, and you're going to learn technical analysis. We're going to talk the economy, all kinds of great things here. UNG is my spot that I really like here for a swing trade, and I may stay in this for quite a while because I think once we get ahead on this trade, I think we can start moving our stops up and watch this ratio kind of tighten up a little bit. Usually it's a 6-to-1 ratio. I'm not saying we're going to get down to a 6-to-1 ratio, but back last summer in July, you had oil trading around 150, you had natural gas around 12, you had a ratio of around 12 or 13-to-1. Right now it's at 18-to-1, so I think it's way too out of whack. I think you're going to find natural gas starting to pick up a little steam here as we move forward. So that's my one idea from a swing trade standpoint. I would take a look at GLW, Corning, and I would look at I can't recall the other name here off the top of my head. Where is it here? Corning and I can't recall the other name here. I don't have it written down here. But anyways, I would look at GLW on any. Oh, I know what the other one was. WNR, a refiner. WNR. I think the stock here is very oversold, and I think the stock here is getting poised to Western Refining. I think the stock is getting poised to start moving back up to the upside. They did a secondary at $9 a share. The stock's been absolutely slammed from a peak around the 15-16 area. I think you can look at getting along the stock here into any weakness. I think the stock is going to pop at least back to the 10-10.25 area. Beyond that, I've got nothing else to add. Have yourselves a great day. Go to our site, ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com. Take advantage of the free trial. We'll try and be back tomorrow. Have a good evening.